Good afternoon, doctor. I am Ling An, and my metric number is X718886. Now I will talk about the personal consumption expenditures (PCE). The personal consumption expenditures (PCE) means the value of goods and services consumed by the individuals and households. It is a major component of a country's gross domestic product (GDP) and important indicator of consumer spending trends and economic health. There are few components of PCE such as durable goods, non-durable goods, and services. Durable goods, which are the goods with a long life like vehicles, refrigerators, and computers. Non-durable goods, which are the goods that are consumed quickly, such as food and clothes. Meanwhile, the services is the largest segment of the PCE like healthcare, education, and recreation service. PCE is important for the economic growth, inflation tracking, and policy decisions. That's all for my talks and sharings for the personal consumption expenditures (PCE). Thank you.